strawberry shortcake, just like Mama and them used to make back in the day. Girl Jennio.Vittles with the School of Heating classes in session. I'm going to start with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I like to sift mine to get a smoother consistency. You can eliminate that. Then I came in with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Added 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and give that a whisk together of all the dry ingredients. I have 1½ sticks of cold butter into small pieces. Make sure it is cold, not room temp, okay? If you have a biscuit cutter, use that. I didn't have one, but I did use a fork to kind of cut the butter into the flour until it gets clumps like so. And then you're going to come in with your cold buttermilk. I'm going to start off with 3/4 a cup. And then I added an additional tablespoon of buttermilk and beat 1 egg into that. Just whisk it in there. Put that into the mixture, the dry mixture, and then use a spatula to kind of mix the wet and dry together until it starts to become a dough. And then I just get in with my hands. You have your dough formed, and most of the flour and stuff is off the sides of your bowl like so. Then in a lightly floured surface, you want to put your dough. We're going to knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes first till it's well incorporated, and then use your rolling pin to roll your dough nice and flat. I couldn't find mine, so yes, I used saran wrap. Your dough is flattened out nice and flat. Now make sure your butter is cold, because you should see it like so. You're going to fold it in half 3 times, okay? That's how you're going to get those light fluffy layers. Before using your biscuit cutter or whatever you're doing, lightly surface your dough with a little flour and make it easier to cut. This is what my biscuit is looking like. You can see it's going to be layers because look how I folded it. Going to grease your cast iron with some butter. Then you're going to come in with all your shortcakes. You leave a little room because they are going to rise when you are baking them. You heat your oven to 425. And then I like to actually freeze my skillet for about 20 minutes for best results. That's how you get those flaky layers. With the little egg whites and then top with a little granulated sugar. I baked it for about 20 minutes and it came out looking nice and golden brown like so. You can see the layers. That's why you want to fold it 3 or 4 times. Next video, I'll show you how I made my homemade whipped cream and my strawberry mixture, because we got to spice it up a notch. Top that bad boy. So make sure y'all meet me here for the next video. Engage with your girl and check out my other stuff. And tell everybody we got heat over here.